What's poppin', people? It's your boy Michael back here with a brand new video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are changing the intake on the TDI. As you can tell, I've currently got my coilovers sitting in the back right here. I haven't been able to do those because I had to buy a toolbox and my original locking lug nuts were on. It's just one issue. But I've got that. I've got this intake that I'm actually doing right now, and then I've got an amp I'm actually going to install. So there's 3 videos right there I'm going to have for you guys. So with that being said, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss an upload. Anyways, so before I actually show you anything, I'm going to get a few sound clips of before so that you guys can actually, see and hear the difference. So I can't remember the exact name of it, but this is the InGen tuned air take. Of course, Zach, he's the one that offered. Well, he didn't offer. I asked him and he said buy this one, so I did. So let's install this real quick. Alright, so in most videos I've watched, you just need a flathead. This for the clamp. And then all the screws are Torx 25s. So I'm probably just going to do everything and speed the video up, but every time I do something or change something, I'm obviously going to explain what I'm doing. So first I'm just unscrewing all the screws for this. It's got 8 screws, and I'm going to unpop this, pop this out, take off the clamp and just remove this first part. Alright, so now that all the screws are out, I'm going to unhook the hose. It's probably pretty tight. And then this should just be a simple clip. A little bit of a loosey-goosey. There we go. Now, just put that back there. Stay. And clamp it. That took longer than it should have. Air filter. It's actually pretty clean. Cage for it, that's pretty filthy. After that is removal of the spot where the cold air actually comes in. So this cover, my clips are broken, but usually you just gotta clip it off, toss that to the side, and then there are 2 Torx 25 screws in here. Alright, now that everything is removed, time to put the new stuff in. I can promise you it was a pain in the butt to pull everything out because you have to kind of yank it, but trust me, with a little bit of force it comes out. Before I get into anything else, just make sure you take the old math off of the original intake because you kind of need this for the new intake. The way I look at it, open hole goes in, honeycomb kind of thing, sticks out towards you. Make sure that snaps. Alright, so hopefully you guys read the instructions like I did, and you now know where this actually goes. So this bolt, the one that was the Torx 30, that's where this end goes. And then like I said, the 2 Torx 25 screws that you're going to be using will go back in here. according to the instructions, you gotta take this rubber thingamajiggy and that goes on there like that. And I was told not to tighten it, so I ain't gonna tighten it yet. So now let's look at the next step, because I'm a little lost. And then after everything is all tightened in, you get to install the actual filter. So, get that bad boy on there. Tighten him up. Now everything's done, so let's try it out. So there's obviously a couple things you can do after you actually install the intake. Look, it's Lizzie. But I'm not really going to do anything right now. You could change the turbo, you could dampen it, disassemble a whole bunch. There's a whole bunch of things you can do just to make that sound a lot better. But for right now, I can deal with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, comment down below stuff you guys want to see in the future. With that being said, my name is Michael. It's been real. Have a great day, everybody.
I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been a